Alright, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit this kind of video that you're seeing up here now. One of my followers requested for the video tutorial. I'm going to make it public so that every other person can benefit from it. Even though that is a bit complex, but I'm going to try my best to make it shorter. Let's go. The first thing which you need to do is to have the record of your first clip where you walk by the left hand side of the screen in a dramatical manner like this. You can see what I did. Then after that, you record the second clip where you woke up from the bench walking by the left hand side of it. The essence of that is to give alignment at the middle side where it will be easier for you to edit your video. So you can see what is going on there. After that, head over to the Capcut editing application. Alright, the moment you are done recording the first clip and the second clip like this and having them brought to a Capcut editing application, the next thing which you need to do is to head over to the second clip which you recorded last and have it highlighted like this. Swipe to this very end. You can see what I'm doing here until you get to overlay. Okay, then once you get to overlay here, then click it for me to bring the video down. Then click on the overlaid video, click and hold and drag it to the left hand side, okay, to the beginning of the video. You can see what I did. Okay, so the work has begun properly now. So what you need to do at this very point in time is to still highlight the video bar of the overlay like this. You head over to splice like this and click it for me. Okay, there are many options or features here. The ones we are going to use is either hard or dark. You can see what I'm doing, or the dodge, but let's make use of dark here because of the background color of the video clip. Then you have to click on this very button here to reduce it to some degree until you achieve the perfect blending that will give you the perfect result. The moment you are done with that 50 like this, you click on this very check mark, that good, to authenticate your action. Okay, so let's play the video a bit. It is a bit complex like I said earlier. So if you watch where I wiped the broom and where the blended one jumped up, you will understand that it didn't match. Okay, so what you need to do at this point in time is to cut some parts and increase the speed. Okay, let's start from the beginning of the video. Okay, where I stood up, you will understand with me that that first one delayed. Okay, very good. So what we need to do at this point in time, that is why I say it is a bit complex. Where I wiped and where I jumped up didn't tally. Let's target where, okay, where I wiped the broom. Then you can see this very vertical line shows where you are working currently on the video. So having the overlaid video highlighted, you head over to split, then split it, then have this one increased from that speed where it is currently to higher speed. Click on normal here. You can see what I'm doing. Leave it at 1.4. I had already increased the speed before. Okay, so let's check to know if the wiping of this broom and wear very good. This is perfect. So the moment you are done like this, watch what is going on. So very good. What you need to do at this very point in time, because the overlaid video is longer than the shorter, as in than the main video clip. So at this very point, you have to increase from this end. Please, sorry if you didn't understand my explanation, ask in the comment section. I will explain it more better. That is why it is good, if you are to record this kind of video, you have to cram the script off head. Okay, do you understand? Because it has to do with two different clips bring together to give you a perfect result. So from this end now, let's split it again. You can see it here. Click on this very button to return, then come over to split and have it splitted. Okay, so swipe to this end and then still increase the speed. Look for speed. Here is the speed. Increase the speed. Click on normal. Then let's leave it at that very point. Our target is to have the end of this very particular one tally with this one. You can see it. So you really need to keep doing the adjustment until you get the perfect result. I think this is okay. Now let's play the entire video now. Very good. Okay, so the next thing which you need to do before exporting the video is to head over to that very place where you wipe the broom, then download any sound of your choice that will match with the sound of broom. You can use the sound of the broom which I used in the video. Okay, you will not have issue with it. Okay, so use it at that very particular point where you wipe the broom. Then once you are done with that very particular place, then head over to this very point and export your video. But before exporting the video, do you see this very 1080p? Click that very point down arrow and do some adjustment. Take this particular one to 2K. This one is already, this frame rate is already at the normal length. Then take this code rate to high, then head over to export, click on it, and have your video exported to your gallery. This is how to achieve this very particular video. Okay, so do well to share so that others will learn and benefit from it. God bless you.